Hello?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna record this call for quality insurance. Your name is Matt?
Yeah.
Alright. You told me to call property to get for the information, right?
I told you to call the deputy and ask him about your property.
Okay, but you called me you gave me the 407-836-6060 number, right?
6060, yeah.
Okay. Now, I was calling them and they're hanging up the phone on me. I told the lady I want to speak to somebody about my property. She was very rude on me. She hung up the phone on me. They're trying to twist the story up and make it seem, they're trying to make it seem like I'm harassing them, and they're hanging up the phone on me. And I have everything recorded and everything on video. And these people are talking about they're going to send a deputy to my house, and they're intimidating me, saying they're going to put me in jail for you giving me a number to call them about my property. Now, everything's recorded. I didn't call them screaming, yelling. They've been hanging up the phone on me. They're refusing to let me speak to anybody. And on top of that, I called the non-emergency line, and I called 911 this morning, and they told me the same thing. They told me to if I want to make a complaint in writing, I would have to go to the Orange County courthouse, which I feel like to Orange County, and I feel like I called the non-emergency line, Orange County, and they're telling me the courthouse. Now, these people at the courthouse, they're my enemies. They're the one who might be possibly looking at federal charges, going to jail for tampering with evidence and obstruction of justice, and putting a false trespass warrant on me, and falsely arresting me again. If the plan is to set me up to try to make it seem like I'm harassing everybody, I mean, it's just gonna be news. I'm gonna tell you that right now. So if you could call somebody and tell them to stop playing games, because I am recording. I'm videotaping, like I told you. I'm recording this conversation.
Sir, I'm sorry to cut you off, but yeah, I understand your frustration, but
I'm not frustrated. They're trying to set me up and try to say that I'm harassing the telecommunication when I'm calling for my property. They're not even giving me a chance to speak, and then they're telling me I spoke to somebody that I haven't even spoke to yet. And then when I ask them, I want their recorded calls in their office. Now they're giving me a runaround. Now they don't want me to do it because they're trying to cover up the phone lines. I already told them the number that they gave me was a number for a bailout for security upstairs for a video that they said they don't want to be involved with, when they already gave me 5 different stories. You see what's going on right now?
I understand.
So how am I supposed to write an incident report and get my property when they're not letting me speak to nobody? You understand? And they're hanging up the phone on me. Who do I call? Do I have to call 911?
The number I gave you for Mr. David Triano is the only avenue that I have available to you, because other than that, we don't have your property. I can't give you what we don't have.
I understand. I understand you guys don't have my property, but you guys say the courthouse has it, right? Huh?
Yes, sir. Sorry.
You said the courthouse has my property, right?
Yes.
Okay. So why are they giving me a hassle, and why are they not letting me retain my property?
I'm sure I don't know, sir.
Well, who can I speak to, a supervisor or something, because they're giving me a hassle. They're hanging up the phone on me. The lady said she already spoke to Triano and she hung up. She didn't tell me what Triano said or nothing. She just
they'll tell you the same, sir. Because the only way that we can get that property back to you is if he got into contact with us and sent it to us to give to you. But that's the only avenue we can give to you. So you have to get in contact with him and let him know then that you'd like to pick up your property.
But they're hanging up the phone on me. They're saying I'm harassing them. They're not even letting me speak to nobody. All the calls are recorded. That's how dumb they are. They don't realize technology rules the nation. They don't know I'll use everything they try to use against me and say against me. All I'm gonna do is use it against them. It's like they're abusing themselves. Whatever they say, they're talking about themselves. But all right, have a good